Hi, I'm here with Business Development Manager Max Van Raphorst from ITW Plexus. Good to be with you.
Hey, Mike, it's great to be here. How are you?
Very well, very well. Max, first, tell me a little bit about ITW Plexus.
Sure. ITW Plexus is a business unit of Illinois Toolworks. We're a global company that supplies structural adhesives to many different industries and markets around the world. And we're the global leader in MMA two-component structural adhesives.
Obviously, we're connected in the chemical industry, but why partner up with a company like Austin Hardware? How does that benefit the markets and the customers?
We really enjoy working with the Austin Hardware team. We find that our DNA is very similar. We enjoy the engineering style consulting with customers, the relentless focus on solving key problems and innovating, and we find that we're often talking to the same engineers. So it was a natural fit to partner up with Austin Hardware.
Speaking of our customers in the markets, obviously it's pretty unique times right now. How are you, the company, and your customers handling COVID-19?
Yeah, overall we're doing fairly well. A lot of safety is getting implemented in our plant. Our customer base is so varied, so it's a bit of a mixed bag. Certain industries like heavy truck and automotive, of course, are taking a hit. But our adhesives are so versatile and so many industries. We help supply into the medical supply industry with medical beds and other medical devices, and we see naturally a large growth there. So we're trying to do our part in the supply chain and help out customers during this critical time.
We are as well. Speaking of that, can you give us more specifics on applications and where it's used in some of our core shared markets as well?
So Plexus structural adhesives, it's a two-component structural adhesive mixed together, used to join a variety of different materials. And because it's so versatile, it's used in the bus market, heavy truck, automotive, medical supplies, metal doors, for instance, fire trucks, ambulance, trailers, a variety of industries. Anytime you need to stick two things together, there's a strong possibility we'd be a good fit or we're already there.
How you start a project or how we, together tackle, addressing customer needs.
So one thing, like we mentioned, we like working with Austin Hardware, who's right there from the start with engineers. So a new project opens up, an engineer comes to us with an idea or a concept, thinks maybe structural adhesives is a solution, or they're evaluating it versus maybe rivets. And so what we do is we look at the design, might make some recommendations. We'll do testing in-house to verify the products we think are going to be a good fit indeed are a good fit. And then we work with the customers to validate our solution and build prototypes and build the business case to show that indeed we'll bring the lowest cost to assembly and the highest durability to that engineering's needs. And then we're right there with the customers during startup, helping address any potential little hiccups when you go into a startup mode, continual support as they're in production.
Using chemicals to join materials together, in a lot of cases, a leap of faith for markets and customers. Do you have testing that you do, or how do you help verify or give a comfort level to a customer?
We consider it, one of our key jobs is to build confidence, and we have a variety of historical case histories we can share. As well as we do testing in our lab. So if a customer comes to us, they send the actual materials they want stuck together. We'll test in a variety of different ways and environmental, and we'll come back with recommendations on how they can put it together, what we recommend, how to do it, and how to innately build robustness into their assembly process and sometimes their mechanical design.
Very good. Well, getting back to these times we're in, more than ever, customers are probably going to be asking us, how are we going to add value? How can we help them with their process? And, what's new? So what's new with Plexus that maybe we could team up together and try and add some value to our customers?
Yeah, so Mike, we recently launched our new 8000 series products. So 8110 and 8120. And they're fairly unique. They're a 1-to-1 ratio product, very easy to use. They have the widest range of substrates they can bond to, so primerless to metals, thermoplastics, and composites. They have some of the highest strengths combined with good elongation, and they're lower odor than some of the older technology. And we've had a ton of success with this product because of the versatility and how durable and tough that product is for any market. And in terms of adding value, we do that in a couple of ways. We add value by finding ways to lower the total cost of assembly. So oftentimes you can put down a bead of adhesive and put two things together faster than welding or riveting in many instances. Also, by improving durability, making components last longer and reducing the amount of warranties can contribute to significant improvements. And then just being easy to use and easy to incorporate in the manufacturing environment. We've had customers that have historically used 30 different fasteners and a little bit of welding, and we switch them to one adhesive, and it reduces their inventory and significantly reduces complexity and how they build.
Very cool. Well, we appreciate the time and the very thorough feedback. And check out Austin Hardware on austinhardware.com. You can look up Plexus by the product number, by the category, lead you right to helping you with your application. And of course, we're always available, to come and visit you in your plant, and in these times, virtually. So we look forward to it. Thank you.
Appreciate it, Mike. Thanks. Cheers.